so, guys, Alex, why are you standing? Sit down.
Yeah?
You should have.
So is this just translation numbers?
Yeah, so, remember, we've done translations before. We've done them with absolute value graphs. We've done them with quadratics. We've done them with exponential graphs, and we've done them with radical graphs. Now we're doing transformations on exponential and logarithmic ones. So this is like the 6th time we've learned this year. Okay? So, what? All I've said is we've learned this 6 times.
Is it going to be the same thickness as always?
I'm sorry, that's not a question. It is an expression. Okay, so if I look at number 1, it tells me that it's going to reflect in the x-axis and it's going to translate 4 units right. So I have 2 changes going on. So when I have a reflection in the x-axis, what changes? I put a negative outside. Like this? This one. Which is just negative 2 to the x. No. In case there was like plus something at the end. Yeah. Because I just got rid of the parentheses, Stephanie. Yeah, then it would change the sign of that too. Okay, so what? Translation 4 units right. That always goes where?
After.
Okay, so when I move left or right, remember those always get, no. Left and right always gets grouped with the x, up and down goes at the end. What was that? Okay. So right, remember since it goes with the x, it's opposite the sign.
Hey, shut up.
Right is normally positive, so I'm going to do the opposite when it's with the x.
Oh, you do it?
Yeah, the x is an exponent. Yes. Because left and right always goes with the x. I don't have to put parentheses. Left and right?
You don't have to put parentheses? Yeah.
You only have to put parentheses if I had something else at the end. What's up, Charles?
Can I go do the test script?
Yeah, you just have to pull up your test and do it on a separate sheet of paper. Questions on number 1. I know. I can't help it. I keep yelling at people to be quiet and they keep talking. You're not even phone talking. Okay, questions on number 1. Okay, what's your question? Well, if it's up and down, then it won't go in the exponent. Mm-hmm. What's today? Tuesday? No, I can only stay till 4. Thursdays and Fridays, I can stay later.
Are you actually talking about?
Okay. So, number 2. This one is moving 2 units up and vertical stretch by a factor of 2. So, this one, what do I do for 2 units up? At the end. Okay, so that's my first step. Questions on my first step? Because that was my parent function. I think so. Yeah, it's 1 over 3. Yeah. No. No, x is not. X is normal size, so is 2. If it had told me to go left and right on the log one, then I would put it in parentheses in there. Like with the x. Yeah. Okay, So then the next step is to do vertical stretch of 2. So vertical stretch of 2 multiplies on the outside. Yeah.
What about the 1/3?
That doesn't change. So I'm going to distribute the 2 in, so it's going to be 2 log subscript 1/3 x plus 4. Because the 2 distributes to the log and the 2. Yes. What? Sorry, I heard like 3 questions at once. What did you say, Stephanie? Log 1/3 stays exactly, that will never change. Or whatever base it is. It will only get changed on the outside, or like things can change with the x, but not the phrase log base 1/3. Miriam, what was your question? Okay. So questions on number 2. Okay, so number 3, this one has a vertical stretch of 3 and a translation 2 units up. So vertical stretch of 3 does what? Outside. Okay, so that doesn't change too much. And then 2 units up goes where? Exponent or at the end? Plus or minus? Plus, because up and down stay the same sign. What? Yeah, check the white binder. Okay, so questions here. Nope. Yes. Order matters. Any other questions? Okay, so then take a few minutes to work on the 3 on the back.